Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys my favorite top 2 chia seeds pudding recipes that I love to make at home, but there is no added sugar. They are all refreshing and colorful. Properly you wondering what is chia seeds? It's known to be one of the healthiest foods on the planet, and it's one of the superfoods. They are loaded with antioxidants, high in quality protein, omega-3, can also lower the risk of heart disease. Chia seeds can help you also to lose weight and can improve energy as much as a sports drink. They are flavorless, but they add a nice crunchy texture. The both recipes has the same exact base. So for each serving, you're gonna need half cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. So first I will show you how to make a plain chia seeds pudding, and this will be our base for the two recipes. You're gonna need half cup of milk, and this milk can be cow milk or almond milk or coconut milk, whatever you like. And then we will add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, mix it together. You make sure that you mix very well. After then, I will add 1 teaspoon of honey. After 15 minutes, I will gonna stir it again and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes, and then you will find that shape. In this moment, you will find how the chia seeds swelled up, and you will find as well a great thickener that can allow you to add your favorite topping. Now let's start with the first recipe. We will gonna need 2 cups of milk, also 1/3 cup of chia seeds, 2 avocado, chia pudding, honey, some granola with flax seeds and pumpkin seeds, and some nuts. Now in the blender I will add 2 avocado, two cups of milk, one-third cup of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it together. Now we are using 2 plastic containers to add the pudding. First I will add some granola, and you can use your favorite granola. Next I will add some avocado chia seeds pudding. Then I'm adding some plain chia seeds pudding. Then next I will add some avocado chia seeds pudding. And for decoration, I'm adding some granola with flax seeds and pumpkin seeds. And also some shredded nuts. They are healthy, yummy, and easy to make. Now let's start with the second recipe. We are gonna need 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla powder, mix it together, and you can also melt it in the microwave. Then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Mix it together. After then, I'm adding half cup of milk. Keep mixing. For more thickness, I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon of chia seeds. Now get your containers. First add some peanuts. And some peanut butter chia seeds pudding. Now I'm adding some plain chia seeds pudding. And finally, for some decoration, I'm adding some granola with flax seeds and pumpkin seeds. This is my favorite granola, and you can add your favorite too. And some blueberries as well. And that's it. That's so healthy, yummy, easy to make, and you can take it too as suhoor meal as it can keep your tummy feeling full all the time.